So, according to Huawei, HarmonyOS Next is prepared for release, and HarmonyOS native applications will be made available alongside this new software in full force. A new chapter in mobile applications is set to begin, according to Yu Chengdong, CEO of Huawei Consumer Business Group, who stated this during the recent flagship product launch conference. He also emphasized that millions of HarmonyOS talent had been taught by the company. The tech company also outlined a plan to spend billions of dollars to acquire new partners, boost the developer community, and create a developer-friendly environment. The company planned to release apps across more than 18 categories. Yu Chengdong further added that these native HarmonyOS applications will be faster, wiser, and safer for HarmonyOS's upcoming generation. According to Huawei, official developer beta testing for HarmonyOS Next will begin in the first quarter of 2024. A closed and open beta test will come next, followed by the final public release. Huawei hasn't, however, yet made any upgrading plans public. So, on August 4th, Huawei launched HarmonyOS 4.0, the most recent iteration of its operating system. Along with new features and enhancements, the new iteration brought about a number of changes to the user interface. The revised software has been swiftly distributed by Huawei to compatible devices. We stated earlier this month that HarmonyOS 4.0 was already present on 10 million Huawei smartphones and tablets. The corporation also acknowledged today that more than 60 million devices now run the OS. According to the firm, 1.2 million new members are added on average every day. This is only a little more than 2 months following the software's official announcement. Among the significant updates in HarmonyOS 4.0 are a number of rich theme templates and stylish layout styles. By choosing your favorite emoji, you may customize the colors of your app icons and set emoji wallpapers and home screens. By grouping them together and organizing them by significance, it also enables you to handle your alerts more effectively. Now that the same app's alerts are stacked into dynamic cards, you may view more details about each notification without opening it. In HarmonyOS 4.0, you may additionally double-click and then long press on text or images to select them. Huawei's dedication to its software ecosystem is demonstrated by the widespread adoption of HarmonyOS 4.0. The popularity of the new features and enhancements added in the most recent operating system version is demonstrated by the sharp increase in installation. So, what do you guys think about all this? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.